What's up, guys? Hey, wanted to drop this video today. Got the Caleb Curry with me.
What's up, guys?
We're heading out to Fenton, gonna swing through Brighton and then back to Howell. And at the end of the video, I'll show you all three of those offices. But I just wanted to drop a video to tell you about what we are creating within the Next Home franchise. We have offices in Fenton, Brighton, and Howell, and I know I keep saying that, except that it's a different concept. Where most brokerages are like, hey, come on in, we'll give you an office. It's four walls within a single location. Because all of our broker managers are high producing broker managers, the concept that we came up with is to give our agents, no matter what office you claim as your home office, all of the offices to use. We're working on expanding into the zoo with Julie, who just crushes it over there. Rachel does a ton of business, so do Laura and I, but it's more than just that. I know oftentimes you'll sneak into your office trying to avoid the office manager who's gonna beat you on the brow for not having production today or turning in this document. We have tried to eliminate all of that stuff. We want to make it where if you are honest and have integrity and are have loyalty to the company, we want to reciprocate that back to you. And so we have multiple brokers that do that, who you can reach out to for questions. But the culture within the company isn't that, it's just a location. It's all of our agents coming together as a family. We do our trainings together. We do all of our promotions and things together so that we're all building. We're all building as one. So guys, the same thing holds true from a franchise level. Within our franchise, it's a single login. They basically give you a real estate company within a box. And when you log in, you're into your KV Core, your Real Scout, or your single agent websites, or your marketing programs. You don't have to go in 12 different directions to try to get business done, which is really cool with Next Home. And that comes at no monthly cost. As a new agent starting out, we want to develop that career and get you built up. If you're a top producer, if you're a baller, a high production agent, and you just want to have that flat monthly cost but reduce what you're paying, they offer that too. So Next Home, amazing. I've sold real estate for over 30 years, and it's not to pat myself on the back, but this is by far and away the best franchise in the industry. So let me walk you through Fenton, Brighton, Howell. If you have questions, reach out. Any one of us, Julie, Rachel, Laura, myself, we're happy to have a phone conversation, a Zoom, or meet you at any one of the offices. And then, guys, come on along with us. We're looking to grow this fall and winter. And if we can help you grow your career, then we're doing the right thing. So let's check out the offices.